give a big hand to Timayaji. Introduce yourself.
I am Shumaya. I am born and brought up in Bangalore. I am an explorer in life.
Great. Madam.
I am Shahnaz Damani. I had come to Pyramid Valley and I had taken the number from you. Always I used to see you.
You came alone or?
Came with Mr. Damani.
Great.
He's my brother-in-law.
Welcome. Sudhir.
I am Dr. Sudhir. I am basically a dental professional. Presently, I am professor and head of the Department of Periodontics in Keli Dental College. I am staying in Vijayanagar, and I am associated with ESSM for the last 1.5 years. First, I did a course, a residential course for 5 days, and after that, I came in contact with Prem Kumarji, and of course, I am just trying to be what you call a learner in meditation.
Thank you. All the best. Welcome. Your name?
My name is Anthony.
Good.
I am an engineer by profession. Time being at present, I am working in the hotel industry. And I am, for last 2 years, I am in this spiritual journey. And I recently come to Pyramid Valley, and it's quite useful. It's great for me, and I hope I will be totally benefited from all these exercises.
Welcome, sir. Asha, get up. Talk. Who are you? Tell your name.
My name, Asha Rani.
Meditator. Welcome to you.
Thank you.
Sit. So, friends, all boys are on holidays, so we have to do a lot of multitasking. Okay. So, welcome you all once again to this beautiful. Just look into that camera. Yeah. Sit there. So, friends, nice time. Today we have a talk on ABCD. ABCD means anybody can do meditation. Before that, the good news is I think a lot of people know that my Pyramid Prem YouTube we have launched about a year back, and it has crossed 11,050 hits just yesterday. It has crossed 10,000. And somebody asked me about a year back, what is your net worth? I didn't understand what is net worth. If somebody would put Prem Kumar, maybe your name should be available in net. What net? I thought net worth is this. You got it? Yeah. The net worth is, what is your net worth? How much you money? How much you owe? I mean, how much you assets? Whatever asset. But this net worth, I saw an article in Hindu, and somebody told me, you're doing so much of work, but you are not available anywhere. You're like a elemare kai just. So we launched the Facebook and YouTube jointly. And if you see my Facebook, Pyramid Prem Kumar, none of the things are personal. Mostly it is social and spiritual. And so I never expected that I get calls from all over the world. Okay. And yesterday one person called me from Delhi, Kulvinder Mehta. He is a Facebook friend, and of course we are connected in Pyramid. And and my book has gone to places. I think most of you know about my book Zero to Hero and Empty Cup. It's a Kannada though, it's English though. So most of you know about it. But I never knew that this Empty Cup has gone to places like Germany, France, Brazil, from Pyramid Valley. They have picked up. And so it's all credit goes to Patrici. Give a big hand to him. And if I see the profile from where the people have seen the YouTube, it is mostly after India, it is United States is the maximum. Okay? And if you go on about the thing, United Kingdom, Arab Emirates, Canada, Saudi Arabia, Australia, Malaysia, France, I never expected it. Okay? Germany, Singapore, Qatar, New Zealand, Netherlands, Kuwait, Vietnam, Egypt. A lot of people do call me and they have my book. And Sweden, Japan. Of course, this book is totally based from Japan only. And Brazil, Mexico, Denmark, and places like Switzerland. So friends, this is net worth. Okay? Why I am trying to tell you is, ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Somewhere it should be available to the world. So then we change the whole setup of this Zen. We change it into sort of a meditation center also look international standard. It should not be people somewhere should not consider spirituality is for poor people. Okay, spirituality need not be. Actually, the people think that spirituality, those who practice meditation should be worthless people, careless people. They don't bother about the world, so they are so disconnected from the world. But the thing is, they are much connected. So, what Patriji says is, you don't have to do 24 hours of meditation to get detached from the world and do it. Okay, and this in a 1 year, I never expected. Okay, and good thing is, my both the books are going for reprint. That is one more good news for you. Okay, Zero to Hero. Nanaganta Ashcharya, because I thought that I am an amateur writer. Okay, in ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, but amazing response, and thanks to Patriji who made me to realize my different dimension. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಂದರೆ, maybe you may also have a different dimension inside you. Please explore it. And I always tell Prabhakar sir and Timaya ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, they have so much inside them. They should write a book. Every time I tell them. And so definitely the moment you start writing, it will come. Somewhere we have this problem, starting problem. You got it? So let us come out, and this is called net worth. Okay? Not net worth in terms of money or something.
So we can see you
what
on
is there in the
YouTube
net.
also.
Yes, YouTube Pyramid Pray. Okay, and so many 330 videos, and now it's increasing every day. Okay, and whatever happens here, we just take it by about a small camera and we upload it. We never thought that it will become popular one day. And we are sharing the model. You do it in your place. You organize so many talks. Please take about 10 minutes clipping, upload it, so that it is available to the world. You cannot reach. You cannot bring the whole world to your place, but you can go and reach them at a click of a button, okay, of a mouse. So that is the, and people know about Timmayaji on my. They ask me, who is Timmaya? I want to meet him. So that is the fun. So Zen team, they know who are all they solidly behind it, and that's it. Please, you have come to the right place. And also, great thing is, 14 years we are here. This place is very, very precious to me. Okay, I used to live here long back in the ground floor in a small house, and then we shifted our office to first floor, and now here. Okay, and 14 years is a long time. Somebody told me, you come to a pigeon hole. No, it's not a pigeon hole. It will be a palace when I go out, and definitely it is a palace. And we are living in a month's time now. Okay, a bigger place. On the main road. Sir has seen it and he has approved it. Okay, it will be a more people can accommodate, and I can have my office also there. Okay, my engineering office, an architectural office, interior. So all thought that we should expand. Yakandre jana ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗ it will become congested. Okay, so we have to, as a book called Who Moved My Cheese? How many people are read? Who Moved My Cheese? So change is the way of the world. We need to keep changing. And when I moved out of my house, I built that the one where we have now. I thought that somewhere he always talk about uncertainties. Certainty has a beauty and uncertainty has a beauty. So somewhere we get into that slot of certainty and do nothing. Okay? So the moment you become certain, create some sort of artificial uncertainty. Okay? It is not insecurity, it is uncertainty. And uncertainty will bring more growth. So we come to, okay, here we have arrived. No, now it's time to relax. Let us sleep. So beauty always used to say there is a beauty in uncertainty. So let us realize that, come out of the risk, the comfort zone. Last week we were talking about risk and reward. And risk is nothing but coming out of your comfort zone. So let us come out of, you already come out of your comfort zone. Each individual who are sitting here, for example, people like Sarah and all, they are already doing great work. So this network, please do something, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, open an account in you, let it be available to the world, okay, so that we also get some new knowledge, okay. You are doing such a great work in school of ancient wisdom, in pyramid, so that maybe somebody somewhere in the world, you may be giving answers here, sitting here, okay, you don't know, okay. So friends, with that, anybody can do meditation. Let us give a big hand to Prabhakar sir. But people thought that meditation is something sitting silently doing nothing. That is Zen, correct. But there is a beauty behind doing nothing is, when you make it this fellow zero, certain things happens, chemistry. ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗರು ನಾನು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. The whole thing started changing from hormones to to the chakras. We call it as so many levels. We have 7 levels. All start changing on its own. For a hyper man, he becomes little slow down. For a passive man, he'll become more dynamic. So, as Osho says, life is a paradox. Let us appreciate that paradox. Let us not take only positive. Accept there is a negativity. Okay. Accept there is a darkness. Okay. And today is a beautiful Deepavali day. So, Elrigu Deepavali Shubhashayagulu. So, happy Deepavali to all of you. Okay. And let us all chant the beautiful one. Tumba ishta agiddu Asatoma Sadgamaya. Okay. Let us do that. So, can you just close your eyes and say loudly, Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. 3 times. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Friends, let us bring that light. Let us, Yar Guru, Asatoma Sadgamaya Andre, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, darkness to the light. So let us use every minute of here so that we become torch bearers. We have a beautiful torch bearer in School of Ancient Wisdom. Please go and see. And they already, I've been associated for the last 10 years, in actively or not so actively also. Beautiful place. The torch bearers. The person who built was Manize. She's no more, just a year back she passed away. She always used to say, whoever comes here should become torch bearers and take this candle, bright, that what we call it as, that candle to remove the ignorance. Flame. Okay. Everywhere. So let us take a pledge that we will become the torch bearers. Okay? Because Patriji started it, Vivekananda started it, Ramana Maharshi started it, Mahatma Gandhi started it. It is with us. So we have to. Every individual has ability to become a torch bearer. Don't think that only few people can become a torch bearer. No, ordinary people have shown a lot of big results. Okay? So, in my Kannada book, I will end it with this. What is spirituality? One para. In Kannada it is. ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕತೆ ಒಂದು ಧರ್ಮವಲ್ಲ, ದೇವರಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯವಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಶೈಲಿ. ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾನವನ ಸೇವೆ, ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯ ನಡವಳಿಕೆಗಳು, ದಾನ ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿಗಳು. ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಎಂದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳಾದ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂತರಾಳದ ಕೂಗುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಬೇರೆಯವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸುವ ಗುಣವುಳ್ಳದು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ರಿಲಿಜನ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಾಡ್, it is not neither ritual or any culture. It's our lifestyle. Every moment it shows that is spirituality, and it's about serving others, being receptive to others' pain, and having a patient attitude towards others. Okay, and being liberal, dana. Whatever you have jnana, you give it. Money you have access, give it. Okay? You have time, give it. So dana pravrutti andu, it is the highest spiritual value one can carry is dana. That is giving. So giving, give what you have. You cannot give what you don't have. Give what you have. You have time, give. You have money, give. You have jnana, give. So let us develop that honesty and let us listen to that inner voice that somewhere deep within tells, look, listen to me, listen to me, listen to me. But we don't listen to it. We always go and search outside. Okay. We search outside so much, by the end of the journey, we don't have age. We came to know, my God, it is here. I searched outside, everywhere. Ultimately, it is in my own self. The God is here. The God is here. Why we do that mistake? Whatever our age today, let us first realize that God within ourselves first, and then come to know the utility or futility of searching outside. Okay, sir? Thank you. Over to Prabhakar sir. He is a senior master and he is very closely working with pyramid societies, and he goes to a lot of places doing a lot of prachar work. Tumba kelsa ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. And when I asked him, he said ABCD. I said, what is ABCD? He said, anybody can do meditation. Over to you, sir. Welcome. Give a big hand to him.